Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Tinder login error. So if you've been using Tinder for a certain while in order to find a match and all of a sudden you got locked out of your Tinder and are now facing problems with logging in, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can solve this. So one way to go about this is by uninstalling the app from your device altogether. In order to uninstall the app, you can long press the app and then tap on the cross section and then tap on delete in order to delete the app. When you delete the app and the app gets deleted, you can always go to your app store and then on the search bar you can type in Tinder, and when you see the app you can reinstall it back again. Another way to also go about it is to make sure that your app is up to date, which means that your app has to get updated because there are different new features that are always brought about in apps in order to enhance the experience. So make sure that your app is updated. So if your app is not updated, instead of open, you're going to likely see an option that says update. So tap on the update button and make sure that your app is running on current features. You can also always turn off your Wi-Fi and then wait for a certain while and then turn it back again in order to fix the login error. What you can also do is sometimes when your internet connection is not very speedy, it can cause these forms of errors. So you can always contact your ISP and ask them to help fix this error for you. You can also go to your settings, and when you go to your settings, what you can do is as you land on your storage, you can also search for the particular app and then offload the app. As you offload the app, there will be certain changes that will be made, but your documents and data will not be gone from your device. So you can always offload the app and don't have to be concerned about the deletion of your documents and data. So as your app gets offloaded, you can anytime after the cleaning of the app, you can anytime just simply reinstall the app by either going to your app store, or on the same section you'll be able to see an option that says reinstall app. You can simply click on it and then your app will get reinstalled. So these are basically the methods by means of which your Tinder login error can be solved. I hope this video will be helpful to you in fixing your login error. If it becomes helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you around next time.